Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kino app, a live streaming platform designed for content creators to engage their audiences with interactive features. Kino offers easy-to-use live video sessions, chat, polls, and Q&A options to help creators build stronger communities. The app's interface is clean and user-friendly, making it simple for viewers to join streams and participate. Pros include its intuitive design, strong focus on audience interaction, and real-time engagement tools. Cons are the limited monetization options and lack of advanced content management features compared to some other streaming apps, and downloading the app isn't free. Overall, if you want an app that encourages community engagement through live streaming, Kino can be a good choice. Is it worth it? If close interaction with your viewers is your priority, Kino delivers well, but if you need more robust monetization tools, you might want to explore alternatives. If you have any questions or spot any mistakes, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, please refer to the description for the email.